Have you ever tried to set a background color for your web page, only to find it doesn't cover the whole page? It's frustrating, right? If that's you, then you're in the right place. Today, we're diving into why your background color might not be applying as expected. I totally get it. You want your web page to look just right, and when things don't work as planned, it can be really annoying. You're not alone in this. Many developers face similar issues when styling their pages. Here's the specific situation we're looking at. One user recently asked, "Why does my background color only apply to the height of my content and not the entire page?" They shared their code, which sets the background color to red, but when inspecting the page, the body height only extends to the content. Sound familiar? Let's explore this together. So, what could be causing this? The issue often arises because the body element only expands to fit its content. If there are no elements that extend beyond the viewport height, the body won't fill the entire page. Let's break this down step by step. And don't go anywhere. I've got a simple solution at the end that will ensure your background color covers the entire page, no matter the content. To understand why the background color does not cover the entire page, the user should first know that the body element only expands to fit its content. In this case, the content is just the div containing Hello World. To make the body cover the full height of the viewport, the user can set the height of the body to 100%. This will ensure that the body takes up the entire height of the browser window. Next, the user should also set the height of the HTML element to 100%. This is important because the body height is relative to the HTML element. Now, with both the HTML and body elements set to 100% height, the background color will cover the entire page, regardless of the content inside. Finally, the user can test the changes by refreshing the page. They should now see that the background color extends across the full height of the viewport. Fun fact, the term viewport refers to the visible area of a web page. It's like the window through which you view your content. Understanding this can really help with layout issues. Now let's look at the answers provided by other users. This user explains that the HTML and body tags are essential for a web page's structure. The HTML tag is the root element, while the body tag contains the content. They point out that applying a background color to the body can fill the viewport, but if the body doesn't cover the full height, the background won't extend. To ensure the background color covers the entire page, it's better to apply it to the HTML element instead. That wraps up that answer. Let's move on to another one. One user explains that the body styles are actually applied to the HTML element because the body is a descendant of HTML. They point out that there is a root selector in CSS that targets the same element. That's all on that answer. Let's take a look at another one. This user explains that the height you see in the inspector is due to the min height property, which is determined by the height of the div containing the content. They suggest that the background color can extend to the full height of the page by changing the min height of the body. By setting a min height of 200 pixels, the user demonstrates that the background color now covers the entire page, even though the content is minimal. Let's take a look at another answer from another user. One user suggests an alternative approach by applying the background color to a specific div instead of the body. They recommend using a class, like sum, to give the div a red background. This way, the color will only apply to the div containing your content. That's all for that response. Let's see what someone else had to say. This user suggests that if you want to apply a background color only to a specific section, like a div, you can use a class or an ID. For example, you can create a div with a class named sum and set its background color to red. Alternatively, you can use an ID instead of a class for the same effect. Here's the quick recap. Set the height of both the HTML and body to 100% and consider using a minimum height of 100 VH. This will ensure your background color covers the entire page. And there you have it. Your background color should now cover the entire page. Remember, understanding how elements interact is key to web design. If you found this helpful, hit the subscribe button for more tips, and don't miss our next video on advanced CSS techniques.